Welcome to our online learning platform. This is Livingsprings Kiddies School. My name is Mr. Sharif, the class teacher for year 2. Now today we'll be looking at science, and our topic will be a continuation from what we've been doing in our previous class, which is circulatory system, where we talked about the blood and the importance of the blood to the body. Now today our focus will be on the blood vessel. What do we mean by a blood vessel? A blood vessel is a channel or tube through which blood flows into and away from the heart. A channel or tube through which blood flows into and away from the heart is the word. Now, the heart. The heart is a muscular organ that pumps blood into the body. A muscular organ in the body that pumps blood into the body. Now, for the heart to work as it is, that for it to pump blood, for the blood to move around the body, it needs the blood vessel. So the blood vessel is that channel through which the blood moves through before getting to the various parts of the body. Now, the blood vessel is divided into three. They are the arteries, the veins, and the capillaries. These three parts have its own functions. They have their own functions by which, in connection with the heart, they help to transport blood throughout the body. Now let's look at the function of the artery. The artery is the vessel through which blood is carried out from the heart to the body. Now the artery helps to carry out blood, oxygenated blood, from the heart into the various parts of the body. You know, we said blood carries oxygen. So it is through the artery that this blood travels throughout the body. Now the veins helps take blood back to the heart. The vein is just a channel that helps the body to take blood back to the heart. Then lastly, we have the capillary. The capillary. Now these are small blood vessels that connect the arteries and the vein. So the capillary is in between the artery and the veins. So there are small blood vessels that works between the artery and the vein. So that's all about the blood vessel. So we've talked about what it means: a channel through which blood flows into and away from the heart. The three parts of the blood vessel: the artery, veins, and the capillary. And I also mentioned what the heart is. That is a muscular organ that helps to pump blood into the body. Now I'd like to show you something: the position of the heart in the body. Now this is a structure of the human system. This is the heart, just beside the chest bone, just beside the chest bone. So this heart is in connection with all these parts: the artery, the veins, and the capillary. So once the heart pumps, the artery does what? The artery carries out blood, oxygenated blood, away from the heart, while the vein takes in blood back to the heart. Then the capillary is just a small vessel in between the artery and the capillary. So now, to our own view, we have described the heart. I've mentioned that, even though it's not written. What is a blood vessel? Describe the artery, and describe the capillary, and lastly the vein. So with this, we've covered everything on the circulatory system. With that, we've come to the end of this class for this week. So I'd like to say thank you. God bless you.